Okay, grade 3. Next week on Sunday, you have your healthy food presentations, okay? So, what you have to do for that is you have to bring in the ingredients to school that you're going to make your healthy snack. And then you might have like assistants, or maybe you want everybody to make the snack so you don't have to make so many of them, okay? And then you would teach them how to make the snacks. All right, so it's up to mom and dad how they want to do it. If you want the children to all do their own snack and then let your child explain how to do it, that was one way we could do it. Or if you think it's going to be something where your child can make all of the snack itself and then give it to each individual child, then that works too. But I wanted to give you some ideas because I know that it might be a struggle to think about what you're going to do with your kids and how they're going to do this in class. So I'm going to do a video this weekend on me making my snack for the class. And that will give you an idea of what I want them to kind of do in the class. And then I will take videos of them explaining it, and I'll put those on Class Dojo. I know I haven't done a lot this year, but this is something we will do. And this will be considered their Unit 5 project instead of test because we are running out of time. Can you believe it? The school year has just flown by so fast. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen. Okay, and yeah, so do here. Okay, and then we are going to go to Kids in the Kitchen. So here on this website, and I will give you guys the website in the whatchamacallit, the class dojos so that you guys can get there. This is a Kids in the Kitchen, and these are things that kids can make very easily. So some of them are cooking, and since we're going to literally focus on a no-bake Kids in the Kitchen, you would just go down here and look here and there's tortilla roll-ups. So one of these examples would be Tuna Cheesies. Okay, so Tuna Cheesies basically is melted cheese, but you can do it without melting. They could put cheese and mayonnaise and celery salt, onion powder, garlic, whatever, yellow pepper, butter, some English muffins or if we have bread, and sliced American cheese and tomato. And that would be one thing that they could make. All right. I want to hide this. How can I do that? Hide video panel. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. Another one I saw here was tortilla roll-ups, and similarly, it's something that you take cream cheese and salsa and flour tortillas, and you can roll them up and they can eat them. They're yummy. And another one is peanut butter quesadillas. Like this, you guys just buy the tortilla chips. There's the tortilla things, much like paratha, but they're actually tortilla. It's Tortilla. And you're not really cooking it. They can just make them and eat them this way, but you can see they can either put them with peanut butter, because that's my favorite, or they can make them with jam, a peanut butter jam. So like you put jam on the side with some peanut butter, or some kids that use Nutella. But it's basically the same idea. Okay, so you've got peanut butter and jam tortillas. Those are one things that you can do. Some things that you can do that's fun. And then if you go to this site here, where is it again? All right, there's some ideas. So we have make banana pops, and this is you peel a banana, dip it in melted chocolate or low-fat yogurt, roll in crushed nuts, and freeze on cookie sheets. So then you would just take them out of the freezer the next day, and it would be done. So if your child was explaining this one here, he would bring the ingredients for that melted chocolate, treat, and then he would make the pops okay? And then you would make one pop in class and to explain that you stick it in the freezer and then you cook it, but that he had brought some along that he had already made, okay? Or she. The fun sandwiches, using cookie cutters to make different shapes with some bread and put turkey or cheese or peanut butter or Nutella inside. Make yogurt shakes. If you are going to make yogurt, any like smoothies or shakes, you need to bring the ingredients, but tell me and I'll bring my blender. Okay, so if you guys bring the ingredients, I can make sure I have a blender here. Okay. Assemble fun kebabs. These could be with pretzel sticks, putting fruits or vegetables on top. As you can see, it's really cute. This is like a little ladybug. These are apple ladybug treats with raisins and pretzels and apples. Apple toast. Let's see what that looks like. Apple toast, it says, yeah, you're just toasting. Again, if you guys need a toaster, tell me. I will bring a toaster. So I can bring a toaster and I can bring a blender that day. Just have to let me know so I can bring it, okay? And this would be another example of one thing that they could do. Muffins, I don't know if we do muffins, but healthy snacks for kids. It's another one. Let's see if we can see these different ones. Page not found. Okay. So as you can see, if you wanted to Google kids in the kitchen, no baked snacks. Okay. It's going to give you ideas on that as well. So some kids might make a snack mix or popcorn. How do we make popcorn? I don't have a popcorn cooker though, guys. Here's another healthy snack for kids. If it opens up, that would be great. No, not that one. This one. They've made like a little cheese sandwich with like peppers and like decorated it. This is a snack with some popcorn and this type of thing. Let's see. It's another one here. Oh, this looks kind of interesting. Butterfly crackers with celery and cheese. I think these are like the banana pops. Similar, they're dipped in chocolates. The chocolate part is not so healthy, but the bananas are definitely something healthy. Let's see, what is banana sushi? Interesting. Banana sushi. These are like those dates balls, I think. Those are delicious. If you guys want to make them, I'd love to try them. Just joking with you guys. It looks like some kids made some Cheerios with some nuts and some raisins. This one looks like it could be a granola bar with some strawberries and apples. Really cute. Here, I think these are supposed to be carrots, but I'm not sure. And some blueberries and the letter F. This is a dip with vegetables. Let's see here. What else do I have? I'm not sure. I think that might be peanut butter, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. No. It's actually chia seeds. Interesting. Okay. Chia seeds are actually pretty good. Here's no bake cheesecake. Okay, that's a snack. Has milk and yogurt and cheese and those graham crackers. I don't know where you can get those, but vanilla, strawberries. Okay, really easy to make. Hummus, of course, hummus with different snacks. Let's see, no big area. No, not that. What's this? Okay, some apples with some cinnamon and peanut butter. Okay. This one, they use gummy bears and some of those teddy bear grams and some popcorn. Oh, this is so cute. Vegetables with a sandwich and some carrots. Let's see. So as you can see, the ideas are endless. There's so many different ones they can make. This one looks like it's like a energy bites with dates and nuts. Here they use eggs, but we're not going to have a griddle or anything like that, so I don't know how that would work unless you fry the eggs in advance. Caramel apple energy balls, deviled eggs are good, really easy to make. They just boil them and they can cut them open and salt them. Yeah, so I mean, like, you can see there's lots of different ones here. If you search, I've searched on Bing, and this is what I've come up with. There's just endless. It's endless, you know. Some broccoli. You've got some bananas with peanut butter and tortilla. Those are actually really good. I've had those before. I've actually made those before. But things that they can make. Don't just bring a watermelon and say it's a healthy treat. Unless they're going to do something with the watermelon, are they going to cut it into shapes? But it doesn't have to be super, super like difficult or complicated. They can make the fruit and cereal snack bars, you know, that won't have a microwave to melt it, but they can give the idea of this is what it takes, and this is what you have to do. So yeah, there's different things that they can do, and it's not so difficult. They could bring a salad. They can make a salad. It doesn't have to be something complicated. These are just some ideas if you are out of ideas. But like I said, it could be how to make a sandwich, how to make a salad, how to make happy faces on your bread. You know, it could be anything, but it's supposed to be kid friendly and something that they can make on their own. All right, so here again, they've got different cereal bar things and snacks with low calorie, of course, which is also good for you, like the caramel with the apples. And so, I mean, like, as I said, you just have to decide what you want to do with your child, and then or have them pick out what they want to do. And if you need a blender or a toaster, I can bring those in because I have those things. But you need to tell me before Sunday if that's what you want your child to bring. And these presentations, we will do them during life skills and maybe during art if we don't have enough time. So hopefully we'll have enough time. Hopefully it won't take very long. But again, that's what they can do. Okay, so I will do another video on probably this weekend to explain my snack and how to actually make a snack, and then your kids can do their little presentations next week, okay? Yeah, these are really cool, funky eyebrows, right? Anyways, okay, so I guess I'm gonna go now, and happy getting ready for your snack presentations, and it's going to be a yummy day on Sunday. I won't have to bring my lunch. But anyways, so it should be enough for everybody to share though. So since for grade 3 we have 14 kids, so enough for 14. Okay, guys? You can include teacher too if you want. But you don't have to. All right? Okay, bye, have fun, and have a good weekend. Bye-bye.